Hello everybody. At the beginning of every year, we're thinking about the top 3 trends that might occur in futures, Forex, and the crypto markets. First, let's have a look how we did for 2024, and then we'll project out into 2025. Now, 2024 was really a great year. Well, let's have a look at our pick. That was gold, the weekly chart. This is the 1-year time window, 2024, from January to January. And we called this long right here. Well, that was a great pick, right? It made 38% till the year end, and that's quite good for commodities. Was this big move a surprise? No. We had an entry signal earlier than that, but based on a pattern. And if we look at one time frame higher, the monthly chart, well, we can actually see our buy signal was here. And we had beautiful stop run levels right here. And as we can see, once they were broken, well, that's developed a stop run move that gave us a 38% increase. While trading futures gold, well, that's quite a move, right? Well, let's have a look now at Forex. Well, Forex, we were looking at the US CAD. This is a weekly chart. And this is an S1 pattern long. Well, that was the original entry. Now, this was a re-entry, and we called it here in January 2024, that it should increase within the 1-year time window. And actually, we can see how the bulls first had some difficulties breaking the consolidation high, 2 tries, but then as they did, well, we developed momentum. Again, we've got a stop run move, and that generated within the 1-year time window an 8% price increase. Well, for currency that we trade on margin, well, that is quite good, 8%. Well, let's have a look at the third one for 2024. That's a crypto call. Well, that was Bitcoin. We called it back here. Well, we had a long-term entry signal just before. But even getting in late here on January 2024, well, that was a great call, right? Within the year, well, we made more than 152%. Why is that? Well, the 100K US dollar K level, that's a very important magnet, and it's a target. And price was drawn towards that target. Is it over now? No, Bitcoin is not over. It will go beyond the 100K. But Bitcoin was one of the early movers of the crypto market, and probably other coins will do better. Well, we're going to look which coin that could be now as we look into 2025. So let's have a look at that. Futures, what could be a great future to trade? Well, it's silver. As you know, silver and gold are somehow correlated. Well, gold went off, right? But silver even made new highs. But silver is lagging. Silver is well below its all-time highs. Now, we think that silver will do really well. Silver has stock run levels as well, as you can see here at the blue line, and it's meeting a little bit of overhead resistance here to the left. But should this level fall, this blue line, we should actually see a swift move towards the target area, which is $45 per ounce. Well, that would be a 50% increase. Trading futures, well, there's a leveraged product. Well, that is quite nice, right? And it seems like we're going to have a similar move to what we saw here in the beginning of 2000 to 2021. You see these big green bars, something similar. And we traded that really nicely such a period. We're looking for big green bars here for 2025 for silver. Well, let's have a look now at the Forex trend for 2025. Well, basically, dollar is king. Well, if the dollar is king, well, what is a weak currency? And we spotted this one, the New Zealand dollar, the Kiwi. Is a really weak currency, especially against the dollar. And it has printed here on the weekly chart an S2 pattern short. Well, the entry signal was a bit earlier, but even getting in here a bit later, it still has great potential to move down here, down to the 0.5 level. That's the stop run level. We've got another important stop run level further to the right, and we could see a swift move, similar to what we saw here, right? Big red bars, and here big red bars. That's what we foresee, especially if we break this stop run level and when the markets develop into a stop run move. Now let's come to the last trend for 2025, crypto. I've been looking at the top 20 cryptocurrencies in terms of market cap, and well, it seems like the BNB coin, the Binance coin, is the one with the best potential for 2025. I mean, you can see here how it developed really nicely. It actually put in a 100-fold, right? It had a huge increase to the around the 700 level, from $7 to $700 level. Well, that's a 100x. Then it consolidated on a very high level, a very shallow consolidation. Well, this is an S1 pattern. And now we are just about to break the consolidation high. If we do that, well, we should see a couple of really nice big bullish bars similar to this one. I mean, you can see that this took about a year. We're actually expecting, if this starts to develop big bars, well, that should be about a year as well. And we're looking for a measured move that would be 100x, and that means that BNB per US dollar could go to the 70,000 price level. That's another 100x. So overall, for 2025, what do we foresee? Well, we foresee silver to increase by 50%. We see a dollar is king, especially against the weak currencies, for example, the Kiwi, New Zealand dollar. And we see that the Binance coin could really do well and put a 100-fold winner. That's it. We'll see how 2025 goes. Thank you.